Hey guys, Stacy Oldfield, founder of Minerva Management Partners and the Minerva 3-Day Networking Challenge here. Today we're going to talk about another one of the roadblocks that I hear from women as to why they don't network. So if you consider yourself shy and nervous when starting conversations, you will definitely want to watch this. So I totally get this issue. Actually, for a lot of my clients, it's probably the biggest reason why they're hesitant to network. The thought of going into a space and having to strike up conversations with people they have never met before can be almost paralyzing. But here are a few ways to minimize that fear and overcome your nervousness. Now, the first is just to be prepared. Preparation minimizes shyness and nervousness every time. So take a little time before an event to try to figure out who may be in attendance and then do some research on them. See if you can find some pictures. Just knowing a little more about them increases familiarity and will make you feel a little more comfortable. Now, be careful not to let on that you've been checking them out ahead of time. You do not want to come across as a stalker or anything, but doing research ahead of time will make you feel more at ease. And also, prepare some icebreaker or conversation starter questions ahead of time. Having a short list of questions in your back pocket keeps you from having to think too quickly on your feet, which can make you freeze up. Another great way to reduce your nervousness is to understand how to read a room to know which conversation groups are the easiest to enter. So groups that are tightly closed and directly facing each other are going to be harder to break into. So I would just pass on those unless there is someone in that group that you need to introduce yourself to in order to achieve your desired outcome for the evening. On the other hand, if the people in the group are not directly facing each other and are opened up for others to approach, then definitely step in for conversation. A simple, "Excuse me, my name is Stacy," well, use your own name, don't use my name, will work just fine in this case. And then ask one of your icebreaker questions. Now, the easiest place to strike up a conversation is by the food and drink table, because people oftentimes walk up by themselves and they are always looking for a friendly face. So here's a third way to manage your shyness. Do not feel like you have to carry a conversation with clever small talk. The best way to carry conversation is just to ask questions and then listen. And then ask more good questions and listen some more. People like to talk about themselves, especially to people who are genuinely interested in hearing what they have to say. So not only will you not have the pressure of carrying a conversation, but you'll also earn the reputation of being a great listener, which means great conversationalist. So if you're looking for more tips on how to start conversations, go ahead and check out my 3-day networking challenge. I've put the link below this video and know you will find the information and exercises valuable to your networking activities. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.